Hey guys, how's it going? How to create LinkedIn account. So first of all, visit the LinkedIn and then sign up with your account or join now, and then provide your first name, last name, email address, and create a password, and then enter your country and postal code, and then fill in your current or most recent job title and company, and then LinkedIn might send a verification code to your email. Enter it to confirm your email address. Follow the prompts to add your profile photo, your skills, and connect with others, and then add a summary, education, and more details to enhance your profile, and then that's it. You're now on LinkedIn. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. You will definitely